So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, that is New Howard Sugu. I hope you all are doing very well, and whosoever are in Punjab, my followers, I hope कि आप सब लोग सेफ होंगे. We all know that recently पंजाब में फ्लड वगैरह का रिस्क था एंड कई विलेजेस में और कई जगह पे आए भी. तो आई जस्ट होप कि एवरीवन इज सेफ एंड सिक्योर ओवर देयर. सो आज की जो हमारी वीडियो दैट इज़ अपॉन द टैनिंग प्रॉब्लम. आई गेट सो मैनी DMs ऑन इंस्टाग्राम के हाउ टू रिमूव टैन, हाउ टू गेट रिड ऑफ द यू कैन से स्टबर्न टैन एंड ऑल दैट. वी ऑल नो दैट टैनिंग कुछ हद तक बेरेबल होती है, लाइक यू कैन गो विद दैट एंड बट स्टिल कई केसेस में क्या होता है, सनबर्न बहुत एक्सट्रीम लेवल पे हो जाता है. उन केसेस में मास्क और जो सैलून के फेशियल्स वगैरह होते हैं कई बार काम नहीं आते. तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन दैट थिंग, होम रेमेडीज आर बेस्ट, बट स्टिल इफ यू वांट टू गेट इफेक्टिव रिजल्ट, लाइक यू वांट टू detan your skin within a 1 week, yes, within a 1 week, then here is a solution for you. I also got to know this from the net only because I also get tan when I went to Shimla this time, and I got tan very badly. So I just want to try it out, and after trying this product for months, I'm here with my genuine and honest feedback. See, कोई भी ऐसा मिरेकल नहीं होता कि आपको 1 मिनट में लगाया एंड यू आर डी-टैन. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. ईच एंड एवरी प्रोडक्ट टेक्स टाइम. आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर माई ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू regarding this D10 gel from Last Naturals, and I'm going to tell how you have to apply it. Like many of people say that the product don't show the results and all that. See, हर एक प्रोडक्ट को टाइम लगता है. If you use it regularly, the result will be shown. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So guys, before starting the video, I request you guys to please subscribe to the channel and also follow me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram link. Go and follow me over there. I do share reviews of each and every product that I'm using on regular basis, what kind of mask I'm using and all that. There are many giveaway coming in this festive season. So guys, don't miss to follow me on Instagram. Link is here. Go and follow me. So let's get started to the video. So guys, we all know that कि सनबर्न कईयों को बहुत ही एक्सट्रीम लेवल में हो जाता है, जिसके कारण जो हमारी स्किन होती है, लाइक इट डजंट लुक नाइस एट ऑल. बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छे लगते. सो वी वेंट to so many saloon facials and we went to so many other treatment, but still result नहीं मिलते. So I have seen and also checked many bloggers or many people talking about this gel, and they have said that the results are amazing and all that. So I thought, why not to give it a try, and it was quite affordable. Like you get this much of bottle for rupees 250, and the shelf life for this complete bottle is 2 years. So I think that this is the good buy. You can go and buy it. Second thing, I have been using it mask and cream, and the results were amazing for that. So there was no doubt कि ये brand कैसा. And the most important thing, this is paraben and sulfate free, which is like a plus thing for me. You guys know that I am into organic products right now, and I have stopped using the chemical based product and all. If you don't know why, here is my video. You can go and check it out. So guys, let's talk about this. This is the After Sun D10 gel. What you have to do is, many people like get confused like how to use it and how not to use. They use it for like 5 to 6 days और result नहीं दिखते and they stop using. No guys, I have used it for about months, and trust me, the results were amazing. It removed tans like boom, बहुत अच्छे से. जो आपका you can say stubborn tan होता है, जो you can say uneven tone आ जाती है, pigmentation का problem आ जाती है, उसको ये बहुत ही अच्छे से remove करता है. What you have to do is you just have to clean your face properly. You can use any face wash, whatever you want. I prefer to use sometimes mild, sometimes strong, sometimes scrub based face wash. Like I use different kind of face washes. So just use whatever you want. Dab your face properly. It should be completely dry. It should be completely dry. There should not be there should not be water or moisture on your face before applying this. And then what you have to do is just take a pea size of it. Only a pea size of it sufficient for your whole face. So take a pea size of it and massage it properly. Let it absorb properly. And I prefer to use it like in night, because I think so whenever we use any kind of skincare product at night, it shows a good effect. So I generally use it regularly in my night routine, I think so. And I have seen the difference, a huge amount of difference in my skin pigmentation, in my, you can say, uneven tone and all that, in just 7 days. I'm not kidding. It is not like एकदम miracle हो जाएगा. हर एक चीज को टाइम लगता है. You have to take care of your skin properly आप इसको रूटीन में लगाओ और 7 days, within 7 days you can really feel the difference. जो आपको uneven tone है या कोई scars है या आपको लगता है कि टैनिंग बहुत ज़्यादा हुई है, वो उन सब चीज़ों को बहुत जल्दी से रिड्यूस करना स्टार्ट कर देता है. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू सी इट्स कंप्लीट रिजल्ट, लाइक कंप्लीटली टैनिंग रिमूव हो जाए, give it a try for at least 15 to 20 days, and trust me, you will see a huge difference in your skin, and you will feel that your skin is glowing and it will have a healthy glow. Literally it will have a healthy glow and there will be no tanning residue left on your face. So guys, if you want to buy this product or you have like any query or any doubt regarding this, you can follow them on Instagram. Here is the Instagram link, as well as I am going to mention all the link where you can buy the product in a description. You can go and buy on Amazon or you can DM them on Instagram. It's your choice only. I think so in 250 this product is superb. Here I'm going to show a bit demo how to use it, like how I generally use it. I'm going to show on my hand like how to use it and how it gets absorbed. The main and the most important thing I like about this is that it is non-sticky, non-greasy. Just give it 2 minutes and it absorbs in your skin so firmly and so amazingly कि like कुछ भी लगाया ही नहीं है आपने. Your skin will love you. So give it a try guys. It is really amazing. So guys, the process is quite simple. You just have to clean the area where you have to apply it. You can apply it on your body, your face or your hands, wherever you want. Just take a piece size of it, massage it properly. After massaging it, keep it open or let it dry for 2 to 3 minutes. You will notice that it will absorb completely into your skin without leaving sticky residue behind. So this is really great. You can clearly see the difference between my two hands. That is not much difference, but still the difference is visible. So after so many usage, you can literally guess how amazing this is gonna be. So give it a try and also leave your comment in a comment section if you find it effective. I will love to read it and I will really love to read your comments. And guys, this comes with the benefits of olive leaf and green tea extract. We all know that green tea is so amazing for our skin. So I think so this is a great buy. I really like this product and I am going to, I think so, include in my monthly favorite also because I really liked it. So this was for today's video, but there is another announcement for you. Yes, I am running a giveaway in collaboration with Little Spicy Collection. You all know that I love their products. You know, I have bought so many hair bows from them and many other things. So here is the giveaway product that you will be getting. So one will be this bow. It is really beautiful. Look at how amazing the quality is. Let me show you properly, guys. See, just look how good the quality is. क्वालिटी के मामले में बिल्कुल भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं किया हुआ. स्टड्स बहुत फर्म है. आई हैव यूज दिस बो नियर अबाउट 10 to 15 टाइम्स. कुछ भी कहीं से उतरा नहीं है. सो आई थिंक सो दिस इज ग्रेट एंड इट कम्स विद अ क्लिप एट द बैक. And then another clip we do have this beautiful yellow color. I really like the pearl and the yellow work. It is really beautiful. It is also very sturdy and the quality is superb. You can clearly check. आपको बिल्कुल clearly दिख रहा होगा. Quality बहुत ही अच्छी है. All these things are handmade. And another product that is being included in this giveaway is these beautiful coasters. See yaar. See, heart-shaped coasters. Aren't it beautiful? They are so amazing. Like, just look at. I'm in love with these. Like, see how beautiful this is. You are getting 2 of these heart coasters and these 2 amazing bow. So what you have to do, rules are very simple. Here is my Instagram link. You have to go and check out the post over there पोस्ट का लिंक भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी. यू कैन गो एंड जस्ट चेक माई गिव अवे पोस्ट ओवर देयर. यू जस्ट हैव टू फॉलो मी एंड देयर अकाउंट एंड टैग 5 of your friends, and that's all. Plus, and the bonus point will be given to those whosoever will share the post on their story along with this hashtag. So guys, rules are very simple. You just have to go follow the rules and you are done with your giveaway entry. So guys, this was for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm coming up with bunch of new content this festive season. I hope you like it. If you have any suggestion for the video, do comment in a comment section. I would love to make video on that. And also guys, we are very close to 2k and I'm really working hard to reach 2k guys. Please subscribe to the channel, as many of you don't subscribe to the channel guys. Please, there is a request, please subscribe to the channel and also follow me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram link. Go and follow me over there. I do give a detailed review of each and every product that I share over here, as well as whatever I use, whatever the new product I came to know. So go and follow me over there. So guys, this was for today's video. Meet you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.